Okay everyone, welcome to the new video. So in the last session we have seen the navigation and directory commands, right? So in this video we are going to see the file management command. So previously we are here, okay, I'm just clearing the screen. Okay, if I do ls that we have seen the last session, it is the one directory is there. Now I wanted to create one more directory. Suppose I just type the command mkdir. In the last video we have seen, if you wanted to create a new directory, then you use the command mkdir. All right, so now I'll just create one directory, name is tech, right? Mkdir, and the directory name is tech, right? I'll just hit enter, and if I do ls, now I can see my tech directory is created. I go into that tech directory. What is the command? In the last video we have seen, that is the cd command. Okay, then cd and tech, hit enter. Now you can see I'm at the tech directory. Now let's start with the agenda of today's video, which is the file management. Now to create empty file, we can use the touch command. Okay, so we will type touch. Suppose first I'll just create one text file, first.txt. If I do hit enter, previously we have implemented this ls command and nothing was there, right? Now we write touch first.txt. If I write ls now, hit enter, now you can see first.txt is present in this directory. And if you type ls minus al, then two hidden directory created by the system, and there is a one file system that is created by us like a user. There is some different information we will talk about more in the further sessions. As of now we understand, if you wanted to create an empty file, then we use touch command. Okay, I hope this part is clear. Now if you wanted to view the content of a file, we can use the cat command. Before that, just see this nano command. So open a file in a text editor. Now I have created this first.txt and this file is completely empty. Now I wanted to write something into that. Then I will use nano first.txt, and if we do hit enter, we will have one editor over here. I hope you can see my screen. In this editor I can write anything. Hello everyone, welcome to the Linux course. Okay, to save this file and exit from this editor, from your keyboard, here you can see the symbol. To exit, you have to write Control X. Okay, then you want to save the modified buffer, then hit Y and then hit enter, and that's it. You will take it out. Now my first.txt having some content. Similarly, when you are working with the industry, you have the different files and you wanted to see the content of that. And in that case, either you can again nano, write the nano command first.txt, and you are able to see the screen and able to edit as well, right? But you must don't have that specific permission to write anything into the any file to see that content, right? So I'll just clear the screen first. To see the content, here you can see we use the cat command. Okay, view the content of a file. So I'm writing cat and the file name, which is first.txt, and if you can see, it is the hello everyone, welcome to the Linux course. We can also use tag, which is the reverse of it. If you type enter, it is showing nothing, right? So what we do, again we wanted to write anything into the first.txt. Okay, hit enter. Hello everyone, I'll go to the next line and I will write, this is the second line. Control X, Y and hit enter, right? If you type cat first.txt, hit enter, I'm able to see the screen, right? And if you wanted to see that content into the reverse direction, then we will write tag first.txt and hit enter. So this is the second line, now becomes the first line, and the first line becomes the second line. So if you wanted to see the content, then you can use the tag command, but if you wanted to see the content into the reverse order, then you can use the tag command. Now when you are going to use this tag command and when it is useful, so suppose you have a one directory or one file which is storing the log file of any of the system, maybe the Apache system, Nginx server or anything. So definitely if there is any error, that error should be recently added into the system. So rather than going and checking from top to bottom, you wanted to check from the bottom. Then if you type tech and the file name, the recent activity, recent log file will come first, and it would be very helpful for you to understand the error message. So in that case, your tech command will help you out. So I hope touch command is clear, cat command is clear, and nano command is clear. One more thing, if you wanted to create a file with the editor, so you can also use the nano command. So if you type nano second.txt, second.txt is not there in my system, right? So if I type second.txt, hit enter, it is creating a file along with providing me an editor where I can write anything. This is the second file. Okay, control X, Y, hit enter. So this is also, nano command will also help you to create a file along with providing the editor in the same time. So if you do ls, here you can see second.txt is also created, and if you wanted to see the content, then cat, and here you can see this is the second line. So I hope this touch command, cat command, nano command, these three commands are clear now. Now we will see cpmv and cpmvrm and find command. Okay. Now we will see this cp command. Cp, copy file or directory. Okay. So now we are under this tech directory, right? We have tech directory. Here you can see /home/tech. And if I do ls, we have the two files, first.txt and second.txt. We will navigate to the other directory, suppose cd, and we'll go again cd home. Okay, if I do ls, we have the two files. Okay, I just clear the screen. If I do ls, so we have one ec2 user, one tech user. I'll create one more directory, suppose tech1. Okay, hit enter, ls. We have the three directory, ec2 user, tech, and tech1. If I go into the tech1, hit enter. If I do ls, nothing is there. We'll go one step back. If I do ls, we have tech1. We'll go to the tech directory, and if I do ls, we have the two files, first.txt and second.txt. We had just created one tech1 directory. Now we will just move again to the tech directory, and we have the two files. Now what I wanted to copy this first.txt, which lie under this tech directory, and I wanted to copy it and paste it into the tech1 directory. Okay, then how we can do that? So what we do, we will type cp. Cp stands for copy the file or directory. We will type cp. Then you have to provide the source. We are already in the same directory. Then I wanted to copy this first.txt. Now you have to provide the destination. Destination means where you wanted to copy that or paste that, sorry. Then you can see my direction is /home, under slash there is a directory that we have created, that is tech1. Similarly, you can also provide over here. If you don't know the exact directory, if you don't wanted to go over there, you can provide the absolute path. There is just home directory, under that there is a tech directory, under that there is a file first.txt. I wanted to copy this file into this, and if I do hit enter, okay, now we are under this tech directory. If I do ls, first.txt is already there. We will go one step back, ls, we'll go this tech1, hit enter, and if I do ls, you can see first.txt is there. And if we clear the screen and wanted to see the content, then you can see hello everyone, welcome to the Linux course. This is the second line. Exact same thing has been copied from tech directory to tech1 directory.